These are floating shelves. They're 12 inches and they could be hung underneath, to the side, anywhere you like. And they need some assembly, very easy, self-drilled. You get self-adhesives or anchors, and we're going to show you what these shelves are about and how they come packed. From BohodiyDeep are shelves, 12 inches, no drilling, easy to hang and set up. We're going to open up the box and show you how nicely they are packed. As we remove from the carton, you have everything laid out on the table. Your shelves protected, made of wood, with pre-drilled holes on all the sides. In brown, check online for further detail about your color. The kit comes with 9 short screws, 9 anchors and screws, and a special self-adhesive wall mount traceless sticker. You have 8 of them. What we're going to do is take the shelf and the bracket and pick the correct ones, and they go on one particular way. These are the 2, one side, right or left side, as this will be the side here. You want the bar to be on the outside and flush to the back with an optional Phillips or a drill with a bit. You're going to place in your screws to the self-tapping holes and gently screw down. And you're going to repeat this for the other 3. A close-up look at screwing down and aligning to the hole and finishing off. One side is pre-drilled while the other side is not. The brackets go on and you're ready to hang on the wall. We have a spot that we're replacing a piece of wood to a shelf with the self-adhesive nut and screw. Self-adhesives are easy to install. Just simply place each of the pads on and lock down with the white nut and spin on. Find a location you want to hang your shelf and place on. And you're able to place on items on your shelf to a certain weight. Wherever you're going to hang your shelf, find a spot, screw down, level, and screw. And then place on your objects and so forth. Your decorative shelf could be hung. You could put bookends and shelves, sculptures, items that you want to take off the floor and hang onto the shelf that matches your area. This is a floating shelf, 12 inches, enough for items to be put on with 2 shelves that you could put anywhere imaginable. Free up clutter. Put it anywhere that you want to put a shelf, different heights and levels. You can stack your shelves underneath one another like so. Place them side by side or space them out to a location. Your shelf with items on, floating side by side. Wherever you need to put shelves on your wall, in the house, in a studio, in a basement, or even hanging things anywhere imaginable. I hope you enjoy your shelves if this is what you are looking for.